film it. If we do it on full screen, maybe we'll be able to see it.
You hear him barking at us.
I think.
Oh, there's another one. You see it?
No? Oh, that's what they do when they catch stuff. They freak out. They sound like hyenas. Here, you tape it. I have to put my shoes on. See? That's why I can't.
Oh, wow. You can't see them on the camera at all.
I know, but they're on there. So if we watch it later, then we'll see them.
No, we won't.
Yeah, we will. On full screen. They're walking. They're moving. 3. 3 of them. I think that one's taking a dump. Do you see that third one?
No,
The
I
other one
only see the
disappeared over
two.
the hill, right? The third one's walking. It's coming into
Oh,
view.
I see it.
So it's a pack.
They're just right up there, right on the hill, right behind our yard.
Yeah, duh. They're always right behind there. These are probably the same ones.
Ah!
Run by my fence.
Fail.
I'm trying to get them to do something.
I hope that this isn't attracting them.
No. They're already here.
Because if anyone
They're here all
has,
the time.
say, their cat outside, or their small dog, or
Well, they
even their
shouldn't be
large
doing that.
dog,
That's stupid of them.
and you know what? Coyotes have been starting to attack people, too.
Well, I just went hiking up literally in the trail behind
Damn
right
stupid
behind that
coyotes. What if they followed you? What if they followed your scent?
hill. So, well, why?
Look at it up there. It's just staring at us.
That's what they do.
It's literally just staring at us.
It's trying to figure out what's going on. We're communicating with the coyotes.
No.
Why do we want to?
I don't. You were the one who Wait, did I start it first or you?
Yeah, I think you started it.
I was trying to get a reaction. There's that one.
It's just walking
It's like a
around.
wolf.
No, don't ever say that, ever.
Why?
Because coyotes are evil and
Never
wolves
cry, wolf.
are at least semi-normal. Coyotes have been
They're
known
gonna
to
come
kill
back down
people
in our
and
ravine
livestock.
tonight when it's dark. You should leave your window. Well, no. 'cause
No,
I turned the
plus
heat on.
I have blankets over my window, so it wouldn't matter anyway.
You could film it past the tree on this side. The lone coyote. It's leaving.
Well,
Sort of. There. Now it's sleeping. No. It keeps like humping back up. Its back keeps humping back up. Alex! There it is again. Lone coyote profile. Is that zoomed in as far as it'll go?
I don't know. How do you try and zoom in more?
Do the plus.
Yeah, it's as far as it can go.
Alexander, do you have socks and shoes on? Ugh, we're supposed to leave in 3 minutes.
Like that's gonna happen. So apparently I fail at holding a camera still. Look at it, it's just hanging out up there.
Yeah, that's its territory.
Damn thing, this is not your home and our cats are not your
That
food.
is its home.
Shut
That's
up,
the
Mom.
wild hills. That's why we keep the cats inside.
This is like less than a mile from our home.
Less than a mile. It's like less
Yeah.
than a quarter of a mile. It's
Exactly.
like our
I could
backyard.
like walk out there in less than 20 minutes. Which means that thing could be down here in 2.
If you hopped over the fence and walked up that hill, you'd be up where that coyote was in like 2 minutes. Okay. They're gone. Turn the heat on.
God damn it, I hate coyotes.
Turn it off.
Ugh.